The performance also includes her descending stairs rapidly, using just her hands. This showcases her agility and speed. Halfway down, she switches to using both hands and feet, blending flexibility with strength in a unique way. This girl's performance is not just about physical prowess. It serves as an inspiration, showcasing the incredible capabilities of the human body when it's pushed to its limits. Flexibility is more than just bending and twisting. It's about combining strength, control, and grace.